Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peppa. Happy birthday to you. Hi, kids. Today we are celebrating a Peppa's 5th birthday. To make her feel special, we surprise her with some delicious treats. Cupcakes with cherries on top. Chocolate cookies. Tea. And a yummy birthday cake. Let's see what kind of fruits we have top on it. Cherries, strawberries, oranges, and a kiwi fruit. Gaby, do we have a birthday present for Peppa?
Yes.
There it is. Peppa Pig candy. Let's open it. Yay! Let's take some candy. It's a Peppa Pig toy. Wow! Look, it's Peppa on it.
No.
Yummy! It's so good! And now let's taste the cupcakes. Which cupcake would you like? Yellow one. And Peppa will get a blue one. One for you and one for you. Num 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 num. Now let's taste some cookies. One for you. One for Peppa. Num 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 num. Num 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 num.
No cookie.
Who wants some tea?
Sure.
You want more? And now it's time to cut a birthday cake. Slice for Peppa. Looks so yummy.
Torso. The coffee.
And now slice for Gaby. Fruit cake. Let's taste the cake. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yay! Yay!
Peppa Pig, see?
Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.